Ever felt like chasing after payments is a full-time job? Running a business is all about hustle. You're juggling a million things, from nailing that perfect client pitch to keeping your books in order. But let's be honest, the last thing you want to spend your precious time on is chasing late payments. That's where direct debits come in. They're like magic wands for getting paid on time, every time. And guess what? If you've got a Tide business account, setting them up is a breeze. So, if you're tired of playing the payment reminder game, buckle up because in this video, we're diving deep into how to set up direct debits with your Tide account. By the end, you'll be a pro at automating your income flow and freeing up your time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up, Tide uses a cool service called GoCardless to power their direct debit features. We'll be talking about GoCardless throughout the video, but don't worry, it's all seamlessly integrated with your Tide account. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. There are two main things you need to know about setting up direct debits with Tide. Getting your customer on board, this is where the magic of GoCardless comes in. Scheduling the payment, once your customer's authorized, you can set up automatic payments. First things first, let's talk about getting your customer to agree to a direct debit. Here's the beauty of Tide and GoCardless, you can actually send a request directly through your Tide account. No need for complicated forms or awkward conversations. Here's how it works. Fire up your Tide account, head over to the invoicing section. This is where you create and manage all your invoices. Pick your invoice, select the invoice you want to collect payment on. Look for the direct debit hero. Once you've chosen your invoice, keep an eye out for the direct debit with GoCardless option. If you see it, you're good to go. Click that magic button, hit ready to set up, and Tide will take care of the rest. GoCardless will automatically send your customer a secure online form where they can authorize the direct debit. It's super simple and takes them just a few minutes to complete. Now, once your customer gives the green light, you can schedule the payment. Here's how to set the timing. Back to your invoice, navigate back to the invoice you just set up the direct debit for. Schedule like a boss, choose the payment terms as usual, then look for the option to schedule the payment by direct debit. Pick your date, you can either set it for the invoice due date or choose another day that works for you and your customer. That's it. Once you've scheduled the payment, GoCardless will handle the rest. On the chosen date, the money will be automatically deducted from your customer's account and deposited straight into your Tide account. See? Effortless. Now, a couple of important things to keep in mind. Give your customer a heads up. It's always good practice to let your customer know you've set up a direct debit, especially if it's the first time. Keep an eye on things. While direct debits are generally smooth sailing, there can be occasional hiccups. Make sure to monitor your invoices and keep an eye out for any failed payments. Alright, that's all you need to know about setting up direct debits with your Tide business account. By using this awesome feature, you can finally kiss late payments goodbye and focus on what truly matters, building your business empire. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating.